Every tragedy is a comedy unless you are the victim. That's a song about Herman Cain. Herman Cain has shuffled off his mortal coil via coronavirus complications at the age of 74. 12 days prior to Mr. Cain's passing, he attended a Trump rally in Tulsa, infamous rally, where there was a blazing pandemic, still is, a blazing hot pandemic, and Herman Cain and a whole bunch of people, maybe about 5,000 people, showed up without masks because dying of coronavirus to own the libs. Yeah. No logic on the Cain train, okay? So, he has passed, and, the question I keep asking is, like, how many more prominent conservatives, because there are others who are getting this virus and dying from it, how many of them is it going to take before these anti-masker conservatives, and they are mostly conservatives, get it? Answer. They're not gonna get it. You see, one thing I know about owning the libs is it's a never-ending cycle of psychological projection, gaslighting, just basic denial of objective reality that you and me likely share every day. Okay. That is not in the wheelhouse of the conservative mindset. When you own the libs, you own them at all costs. Even stupidity. Because you can just project that too. Pew, pew, it just bounces right off them. Their armor is ignorance. Okay? And they're not going to get it. They're just not going to get it. Even if Trump died, there will be a QAnon conspiracy claiming it's all a hoax. He's really alive, and he's in some island in the Caribbean, partying with Jim Morrison or something. Something real, plausible. They're just going to project it on till the day they die. So the answer here to the question is, until they all die, they'll get it. Don't look for them to get it. They're not in it to get it. Coronavirus, they're in it for getting coronavirus, but not the reasons why. You see, like I said, you own the libs. You own the libs at all costs. Logic be damned. But Herman Cain, wow. He was like the pre-Trump. He's like the precursor to Trump. An outsider, libertarian type, self-made guy. He kind of set the mold back in 2012. Had some wacky ideas about taxation, flat taxes, I believe, which is just ridiculous. When people talk about pie in the sky, progressives like myself get pie in the sky labels all the time. Libertarians, quintessential pie in the sky. None of it could ever happen. It's never plausible. Only inside their heads is it possible that their ideology could go anywhere. Anyways, wow. Rest in peace, Herman Cain. The Cain train has left the station.